Okay, well today I am going to try to make some of this stuff, which is basically old pipes. They're not perfectly straight, but I straightened them out. These were part of a greenhouse. I've used a lot of these pieces of pipe, but these landscaping timbers, cannot remember where I got those, but um, they were free. So, and this is the 2x6s that I've got so far. I know I'm going to have to get more, but that's what I've got so far. Now, what I was wanting to do, take all this stuff, slap it together, throw it up on top of the bus. Make a roof deck, if you will. So, let's see what we can figure out here. Okay then, what I have here, some of these electrical connectors. And let's space these boards out by about 2 foot. Well, now we have the unit assembled here. Getting it up there may be kind of fun because it's going to be a little bit heavy. We're going to try it though, and hope anyway. Alright, the audio really wasn't very good because of the creek being right there. So I'm just going to kind of do a voiceover on this. You'll notice my lips are moving. That's not what I'm saying. You wouldn't be able to hear a word. That creek is loud. I have this sealant. This is Flex Seal, but if you smell it, it's just silicones sealer. And the idea that I had was to put some around where I'm going to put the screw in. I'm using these little conduit straps to hold the whole thing down. I'm going to have more supports on the outside, but I'm running these screws through the ribs and the main substantial ribs of the bus, and these screws actually have a little rubber washer on them, so that will seal on top of the little strap that I put down. Now we've got like 5 or 6 ribs going across the bus, And as long as you can hit that, it's something substantial to hold on to, and your screw will actually get a bite into it. And I just pretty much just went through and just set it all up. Each time that I put a strap on, I always made sure I put silicone around first and make sure that there's no leaks, because I don't want any leaks in this roof. So far it's good, but I don't want any. Okay, so what have I got done so far? Not as much as I would have liked to, because I kind of ran out of boards. I had to put one on this side just to make sure everything was secure. I don't want anything moving around. And I got 4 over here. We need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We need 7 more boards, and we will have the back deck done. Besides, I'm going to cut some of those off, and I'm going to put supports down to the roof down there somewhere. I still have to figure that out exactly, but somewhere I'm going to put supports running down out here. And also I've got to get a ladder on this somewhere. May just end up coming up out of there, I don't know. See, one problem with having a ladder on the back, that makes it accessible to anybody that wants to get up here. They can just climb right up, so may not want to do that. Anyway, this is what we got done so far. This is probably a good shot. Got my deck behind me here that I'm working on. That's it. I just got 4 boards so far put down over here, 1 over there, and then I'm going to fill in between. So this is kind of the first step of it. There's going to be something else up here. It's not going to be a deck. That's going to be a surprise. But anyway, that's going to be the deck area in the back, where you can sit there and whatever you want to do. Throw rocks at people or whatever you want to do. But anyway, I guess that's probably going to about do it for this video. I appreciate everybody watching, and I'll see y'all on the next one.